Walking through life with my eyes half closed, missing the signs that were right there exposed. Thought I knew what the world was about, but there's so much more I need to find out. Open my mind to what's really there. Strip away illusion, breathe in the air. I want to appreciate every truth that comes my way. See beyond the surface, penetrate. To appreciate the depth of what I thought I knew. Now I'm learning to see it Used to think problems would fade away if I just ignored them day by day. Now I'm learning to face what's real, to truly appreciate what I feel. No more running from what I find. Time to fully engage my mind. I want to appreciate every truth that comes my way. See beyond the surface, penetrate. To appreciate the depth of what I thought I knew. Now I'm learning to see it through. To appreciate, from the Latin of prettier, to set a price, to value. But we're talking deeper than money, deeper than favor. It means to be fully aware, to realize completely, not just a glance, not just a glimpse, but to see totally. When you appreciate the gravity of a situation, you don't just know it exists, you feel its full sensation. When you appreciate someone's struggle or their art, you don't just acknowledge it, you comprehend their heart. Use it like this: I appreciate the complexity of the problem, not just I like it or thanks, but I fully fathom its recognition, comprehension, understanding true. To appreciate means to fully realize